Welcome to BBB's 5-Minute English, the show that makes language learning part of your everyday life. I'm Luis, and today we're talking about something that makes many of us groan: exercise. But wait, this one's for the lazy.
That's right. I'm Emma, and if just hearing the word workout makes you want to lie down, this episode is for you. We're diving into ways to stay active, without hitting the gym, running marathons, or even breaking too much of a sweat.
Let's start with the truth: not everyone loves exercising. Some people find it boring, painful, or just too time-consuming. But the good news is, you don't need an expensive fitness plan or hardcore training to be healthy.
Exactly. In fact, small movements, done consistently, can make a big difference. Ever heard of snack-sized workouts? They're quick bursts of activity, like 5 minutes of stretching, or a brisk walk around the block. Easy and effective.
I love that term, snack-sized. It sounds less scary than intense cardio. Even standing up every hour to stretch your legs helps your circulation and reduces stiffness. The goal is movement, not punishment.
And if you're someone who spends a lot of time sitting, whether for work or studying, you can turn that into an opportunity. Try seated leg lifts, shoulder rolls, or even standing up during phone calls. It adds up.
One of my favorite lazy hacks is walking while watching TV. Just march in place during a commercial break or take a stroll around your living room during a show. It's surprisingly effective and guilt-free binge watching.
I do something similar. I clean while dancing to music. It's like tricking my brain. I'm not thinking, ugh, I have to move, but ooh, I love this song. And by the end, the apartment's clean and my heart rate's up.
That's the secret: make it fun or make it invisible. For example, walking to get groceries instead of driving. Taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Carrying your bags counts as strength training, seriously.
Another option? Stretching in bed. Yep, you heard that right. Before you get up or go to sleep, do some simple stretches. It relaxes the body, reduces tension, and improves flexibility, all without even standing up.
Also, let's not forget apps and videos designed for minimal effort fitness. There are tons of beginner routines on YouTube titled Lazy Girl Workout or Chair Yoga. You can follow along from your couch, no shame in that.
I recently tried a one-song workout challenge, where you pick a favorite song and move your body for just those 3 to 4 minutes. It's so simple that you forget you're exercising. And if you love music, it's a perfect fit.
And here's another lazy tip: make stretching a habit while doing daily things like brushing your teeth or waiting for your food to heat up. Multitasking your way to fitness? That's the lazy dream.
A lot of people assume they need to sweat buckets or be sore the next day to call it real exercise. But that's a myth. Even light activity improves blood flow, supports joints, and boosts your mood.
Speaking of mood, studies show that even 10 minutes of light movement can reduce anxiety, improve concentration, and release endorphins. No marathon required. Just get up, move a little, and you'll feel the difference.
The key is to build micro-movements into your routine. For example, doing 10 squats after every bathroom break. Or stretching your arms while waiting for a Zoom call to start. Little moments add up over time.
And remember, the goal isn't to become a fitness influencer. It's to feel better, sleep better, and have more energy. Lazy exercise is still exercise, and your body will thank you for it.
So, if you've been putting off working out because it feels too hard, try one of these gentle hacks. Start with just 5 minutes a day. You might be surprised how quickly it becomes a habit.
That's all for today's episode of BBB's 5-Minute English. We hope this made you smile and maybe stretch a little too. Lazy doesn't mean inactive. It just means you move smarter, not harder.
And if you've got a lazy-friendly workout tip, we'd love to hear it. Share your ideas with us and help others move more with less effort.
Until next time, stay relaxed, stay moving, and keep learning one easy English phrase at a time.
And remember, every small move is a big win for your body and your mind. Even stretching your arms while waiting for coffee is a start. Keep it light, keep it lazy, but just keep going.